How to activate Microsoft Office without product key. Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to learn how we can activate our Microsoft Office without using any product key. So without any further ado, let's begin with the video. But before beginning with the video, I want you to make sure to hit that like, share and subscribe icon. So let's begin. So first thing first, open up your desktop. And then open up a browser and type in Microsoft Developer and tap on the very first option that says Microsoft Developer. Just tap on that link and wait for it to be loaded. After that, you will be able to see this kind of interface. So I just want you to scroll down until you see Microsoft 365 under Microsoft products. Just tap on Microsoft 365 and wait for it to be loaded again. After that, you will be able to see this interface here. So what I want you to do is just scroll down until you see Community, under where you will be able to see Microsoft Developer Program Join option. Just tap on that option. After joining, wait for it to be loaded, and you need to sign in using your Google account that you want to associate with. After that, you need to fill up this form where you need to enter your country, company, and language preference and accept all the terms and tap on next. After doing that, you need to your primary focus as a developer, just tap on application for internal use at a company and just tap on next. And another is what areas of Microsoft 365 development are you interested in? Just tap on Microsoft Teams and tap on next. After that, you need to enter your phone number and you need to enter the code that you receive and get to this page. After that, just like that, you should be able to use Microsoft Office without any product key just by following this method. So therefore, I hope this video was helpful to you and thank you for watching this video.